the hell is he doing? This man about to throw hot water at it?
A little over a year ago, a Japanese man who goes by the name Yama-Q was looking for a rental home. He found a nice 40-year-old renovated house in Japan with an incredibly low rental price. Yama was blown away and he happily signed the rental contract right away. But as you might suspect, Yama soon discovered just why the house's rental price was so low.
Damn.
You see, the home carries a bit of a dark history.
Imagine, the freaking landlord was like, you're like, oh, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna take it. This is great price. This is really nice. And he's like, oh, yeah, it's super nice, right? Great price, right? I try to offer the best prices, yeah. Knowing that this freaking place is haunted.
The house's previous owner tragically passed away inside the home's bathroom from an undisclosed illness. Only 4 months after Yama moves in, strange things begin to happen in the dead of night.
At least he had 4 months worth of peace. Hell no. Is that him? With the loud ass steps? Your rental agreement comes with free section 3. It's like, he's like, sign here, sign here, sign here. It's like, what is this fine print? Oh, don't worry about it. It's just, somebody died in your freaking apartment and it might be haunting it, but it's nothing to worry about. Just sign right here that you'll stay for a whole year. Sign right here.
Yama-Q starts a YouTube channel and begins to record the increasingly spooky activity around his home.
This man is so calm. Hell no. Hell no.
Night after night, a mysterious knocking sound can be heard coming from the bathroom. No matter how hard he tries, Yama-Q is never able to find the source. He has no idea what could be causing this terrifying phenomenon. One night, Yama is a bit disturbed when a neighborhood...
that would get annoying at a point. Like, damn, bro. Can I get some peace? Some sleep? Constant banging.
Dog shows up at his home. The dog is usually quiet and friendly, but this time it seems distressed by something.
What? Did you just say a random dog comes over? What the whose dog is this?
The dog aggressively growls and barks at something Yama can't see. The next day, he finds the dog back at its neighborhood home, safe and sound and friendly as always. But that certainly isn't the end of Yamakyu's
They just have neighborhood dogs? I guess that's interesting.
paranormal problems. Only 9 months after moving in, he experiences something truly terrifying.
Okay, this video is creepy as hell, bro. Like, his experience is, like, trippy. Like, imagine hearing all this shit. Are you serious?
A blood-curdling wail can be heard coming from right outside Yama's living room window.
What the hell are you calling a blood-curdling whale? What the fuck? Yo, Nukes! Nukes just be playing random words together. Oh, man. A flying saucer dolphin.
But when he goes outside to investigate, the creepy moaning suddenly just stops.
It did sound like life.
As Yamakyu's YouTube audience grows, his many shocked viewers request that he get better equipment to capture the supernatural phenomena. Yama...
Yo, who are these? Get better. Hey, we need you to get better equipment to really look for these ghosts, man. Like, bro, you buy the equipment for me if you want this to happen so bad. Freaking assholes.
orders a thermal imaging camera and waits for his next opportunity to record and capture what's going on in his home. And this is where things take a turn towards the truly bizarre, because 1 month later, this happens.
The same. That man. Yo, he hurt her. Yo, that sound is nuts. Nobody else could hear this? That sound is nuts. What the hell is he doing? This man about to throw hot water at it? Hey, chill! Oh my god, I'm weak. Ain't no way. Yo. I don't even, yo, what I'm not. Yo, what? Boiling holy water. I know, right? He said, fuck around and find out.
With 2 cameras ready, Yama goes on the attack as he throws boiling hot water at the spot where the weeping voice seems to be coming from. Whatever is making the noise seems to cry out as the scalding water is thrown, and then all goes quiet.
Oh my god. I know revenge is about to happen to this man. Yo, I know that goes mad.
But nothing shows up on the thermal imaging camera. These days, unfortunately, Yamakyu's increased YouTube popularity has led to unwelcome strangers discovering his address in Japan, and sometimes they just show up at his house unannounced in the
Yo, that is creepy.
hopes of experiencing some of the paranormal activity for themselves.
何ですか？
いや、ギャーギャーギャーギャーうるさいって言うから、
はい。
いや自分の市払いするのにも、
はい。
それで、
警察呼びますよ。
いや別に呼んでもらっても構いませんよ。
はい。
Troubled and stressed out by the creepy stalker-like visits, Yamakyu shares on his YouTube page that sadly, he'll be uploading less often. To this day, Yamakyu still experiences horrifying events at his haunted home in Japan. But is it real? Could the wailing voice and aggressive knocking be the spirit of the previous owner who passed away in the bathroom? Let me know what you think.
Yo, what the hell? This man, like I said before, some of these people are either amazing at content creating, or these ghosts are wilding out here. I thought something crazy like that was gonna happen, but now he has to deal with other weirdos coming trying to see the ghost near his house.
Mirror, mirror. Paranormal investigator Amy from the YouTube channel Shadow Hunters UK TV is joined by fellow ghost hunters Moxley's Paranormal and Ghosts on Trent as they stay at the infamously haunted 30 East Drive in Pontefract, England. They say that long ago on this very same location, a monk was hanged for taking the life of a young girl.
He threw boiling water. That shit sounded hilarious. Yo, I know that he has to make another video, bro. I know something wild about to happen to that.
The house is said to be haunted by his angry spirit, which they call the Black Monk. Throughout the house, there are CCTV cameras installed, and one of them captures a very bizarre and chilling event, as Amy simply looks at herself in the upstairs bedroom mirror.
The Black History Month monk.
She makes like a creepy smile.
Amy's face appears to distort into a horrifying gaping maw. Her mouth opens up to such
What the
an impossible extent that the investigators believe that they might have captured a paranormal transfiguration. The video is definitely very creepy and doesn't appear to be a digital glitch. But just what do you think happened here? Let me know down in the comments. You can watch the full 2-part investigation at the haunted 30 East Drive over on the YouTube channel Shadow Hunters UK TV. The demon down the hall. Supernatural investigator Cody Aaron says in his YouTube and TikTok videos that he doesn't believe that ghosts are real, or at least that they aren't the lingering spirits of humans. Instead, he believes that all paranormal experiences are actually demonic in nature.
What?
Cody says that he has successfully helped troubled families struggling with demonic presences for years.
Huh? You might as well just believe in ghosts. This man, I don't believe in ghosts, but they're definitely demonic. I guess.
So when a family member reaches out to Cody about the terrifying activity occurring in their office building, the concerned investigator doesn't hesitate to offer a helping hand. But what he encounters in this office building even takes him by surprise. Cody records as he explores the creepy empty office space at night. What happens next is downright chilling.
Chilling.
Okay, you guys, so this is the door that moves on its own, and that's the chair that moves on its own. And I'm just tired, you know, there's absolutely nothing here this time. I've not seen anything. It's 9:46, and usually everything happens by this time, but nothing's going on. There was way more people than what's usually here today, so I kind of guess maybe that's what it is, and I'm just gonna call it a day. I'll start again tomorrow maybe, and we'll see what.
This dude.
Okay, so
This dude hella dramatic, bro.
I'm the only one here right now, and the door just closed
you didn't close it on
on
your
its
own?
own.
Shut your ass up. This dude, bro. Yo, see him? He pissing me off.
Did you see it? Cody is completely unaware.
God damn it, Nuke! I didn't have my third eye open, okay? Did you see it? Of course I didn't see it. I was so focused on this man's horrible acting. Oh my god, dramatic close-up, exactly. Did you see it?
Of what appears to be a small girl standing.
There's no way in hell that was there the whole time. Yeah, that dude was hauling. Yeah, that felt like authentic. But
You see it? Cody is completely unaware of what appears to be a small girl standing right behind him. When he walks into the room the figure appeared in, a door behind him slams shut. After
You had your
reviewing
third
his
eye
spooky
open?
footage, the investigator decides to return for another night. And it did not go well.
Okay, so I'm here by myself. All of these green lights means that there's no motion, right? Look in this room. What in the world is that? That is insane. I have never seen something like this.
one eye open when I
This is
sleep.
directly beside me in the next room.
I really don't like this guy.
Did you see that? It disappeared. What in the world?
He's so whack.
Okay. I'm going over. I have to see what this is. See, and look. Here is the motion detection for me in this room. There I am on the screen. There's no motion detect. Look, it's moving. And there's no motion detection right there. That is nuts. Look at that.
Detection, man, there, man. No.
Let's do it. Okay, yeah.
Excuse me? Yo. Is this dude trying? Is this dude even trying, bro? Oh my god, what?
I'm gonna need Eric's help for this. I'm not gonna do this by myself.
Cody is shocked when suddenly a loud voice yells, "Leave." So could it be that the office building is haunted by a demonic presence? Or could it all just be an elaborate hoax? You decide. You can check out more paranormal moments over on Cody Aaron's TikTok page and YouTube channel.
This man want views so
Signs
bad.
and signals.
There's no way. I should said. Yo, what? Hell nah.
Ghost hunters Dave and Dell from the YouTube channel Signs and Signals were contacted by one of their viewers about a home that they were renovating to be sold. During renovations, they experienced loud, unexplained knocking and banging, and objects seemed to mysteriously move around all on their own. The renovators got so spooked that they put a complete stop to the project. The house has been sitting empty ever since, with no hope of it ever being sold. Dave and Dell head out to investigate the house and search for a possible cause for the unexplained terrifying events. As soon as the guys arrive and step out of their car, they already hear strange banging sounds coming from inside the dark, creepy house.
I got it.
Look.
You hear that, right?
Yeah.
It's just...
Yo, I'm still...
Dude, I'm not going
I'm
in there.
still weak at
You
the
are out of your
freaking
mind if you think I'm going in there.
Dude, that's what they say they hear in here. But damn, yeah, I know. That's... So like what we heard before.
Where's the flashlight? You got the flashlight?
Yeah.
Get that bag. Get the bag. What the f, man?
God damn.
Dude, come on, man. I know we ain't about to go in here.
I don't know, dude. What were we supposed to do? She said this was like the problem that was going on.
What, she said there were bangs like this?
Yeah, I mean, she said that the cruise was getting run up by bangs and things moving around and
This dude looks like this. I'm not gonna even go in on that.
If this
dude.
is paranormal thing, then
He is shaking
we need to have this on camera.
differently.
Yo.
Was that a bird?
Yeah.
Dude, Dale.
Like him. Yo. Anybody in here?
Yes,
Dave and
I'm
Dell
in
look
here.
through the entire house and find nothing and no one to explain the banging sounds they heard. Then things get weird.
Ain't nobody in this house. Is anybody here that like to communicate?
Oh my! Oh my God!
He said, "Don't leave me, man. Get your."
While exploring one of the rooms, loud banging absolutely scares the out of the two ghost hunters, and they make a run for it. Then before they can even...
There's no... Don't leave me, man. This man big as hell, bro. You cannot be running like this, my guy. Are you really a ghost hunter for real?
get out, a heavy hallway door slams shut right in front of them. After uploading their video to YouTube, many viewers requested that the two investigators head back to the haunted house one final time. Slightly terrified, the two friends agree. When they are about to enter the building through the front door, Dave hears something.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, 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 what? God damn.
Can't take these motherfuckers anywhere, bro. Yo, what the fuck? Why? And then that shit said demon sound. Yo, like, come on, bro.
You scared the shit out of me. Sound like you scared the shit out yourself. Hello? Yo.
Dave tries to joke around as they are about to enter the house, but both of the guys are feeling quite a bit nervous. Once inside, the two friends search through the entire house, checking every room.
What in white tarnation,
well,
bro?
nothing happens and no one's there. But then they hear something horrifying.
I know you're f***ing with me, dude.
Is that up? That ain't upstairs. That's back there. Listen.
It is.
Dude,
It's back here.
It's the creepiest thing I've ever heard.
Hello? Dale, you with me, are you?
No. I got the knife.
I swear to God, if you're
I
with
got
me.
the knife. Just let me get it. Hello?
Hello?
Open the door. How do you know they even play music?
Man, you crazy for going in there. What am I supposed? We can't just run from this. People give us so much for this.
What up, guys? Watching some.
All right, now's the time to tell me if you're really messing with me. Are you messing with me?
Yeah, I walked
Ghost stories.
I don't know. You do some crazy shit, dude.
Yeah. Look, how does that thing turn on? Like, straight up, bro.
No, I missed it. He's gonna say, "Did you see it?" Huh? He's about to say it. That's a music box I owned, a pink one that played that. Well, I'm sorry to tell you this, but your whole life is a haunted nuke top 5. You probably saw some stuff when you were younger, huh? After that music was played.
I ain't messing with you. Look, how does that thing turn on? Yeah, look, how does that thing turn on? Yeah, look, how does that thing turn on?
Dave and Dell find the music box playing inside one of the bedroom closets. When Dave turns toward Dell, a dark figure can be seen in the reflection of a mirror hanging on the closet door. Whoever or whatever it is appears to just be watching the two investigators from the other room. Dave and Dell decide to leave the house, having no clue of what they just captured. You can watch this entire 2-part investigation over on the YouTube channel, Signs and Signals. Creepy.
Oh my third eye wasn't open. Oh yeah. Oh man. Damn. Well, if you still have that toy that makes that music, if it's in your parents' place, go get it again. Record yourself and send it to us. And I'll start my own top 5. But top 5. Did you see it?
Crawler. A high school student from Boswell, Pennsylvania is walking home from her friend's house late one night when she begins to notice someone is following her. Fearing the worst, the girl takes out her phone and begins to record as she gathers her courage and turns to confront her unknown stalker. What she sees shocks her to the core.
Skinwalker!
Who's there?
I don't know, it's something about skinwalkers that really interests me.
A humanoid-like creature with glowing eyes stands up on 2 legs before seemingly beginning to chase her on all 4s. Luckily, the high school girl got away unharmed, left with only nightmares about the terrifying encounter and a very strange video. So what do you think can be seen in this footage? Is it an unknown creature, or maybe just a person with freakishly odd proportions and...
Come on, Nuke. A person of freakishly odd proportions? Who the f is doing this? For a video, I guess, but that's freaking weird.
Glowing eyes. Either way, you decide.
Who's there?
Along for the...
Yo, if I saw that, I am ghost. I don't care how out of shape I am with running. I would be gone, bro. Hell no.
Another sipping CP playing all through the summer. Man, they both about to sink, so